Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for education. CallRail got you covered. Our call tracking solution attributes incoming phone calls and text messages to your marketing activities. In addition to providing critically important reports and analytics on your campaign performance, call tracking also includes conversation recording capabilities and provides the robust data used by the rest of our analytics suite. How does call tracking work? Call tracking 101. Call tracking at the most basic level is pretty simple. It's using a unique phone number for each marketing campaign to tell calls from each campaign apart. For example, Atlanta Auto currently spends money on online marketing like Google Ads and offline marketing in the form of direct mail to help generate leads to their business. How phone call tracking works. Atlanta Auto launches both campaigns using tracking phone numbers instead of their main business line. When a potential customer sees one of those marketing campaigns and calls the number, that call will be forwarded to Atlanta Auto's main business number. Not only will Atlanta Auto's marketing team be able to generate reports that show which campaign is generating inbound calls, but they will also be able to see logs of their calls with the following details: the caller's name, telephone number, and location from caller ID data, and so much more. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.